In this video, I will show you how to park domain in Namecheap account. So let's get started with the video. Once logged into Namecheap account, we need to click the Dashboard tab, which will take us to this page. The domain name can be found in the right-hand side of the screen. If you don't see the domain here, click this domain list to see all your domain in Namecheap account. Next, we will need to click the Manage button, which will get us to this page. To park a domain, we need to make sure the Namecheap basic DNS is selected. Next, we need to scroll to the bottom. And under Other Domain Settings, we will need to turn on this button, which will activate the parking settings for the domain if it is not turned on already. Let's confirm the domain name is parked in the browser. It usually takes time for the parked domain changes to be updated. And done, parking domain in Namecheap account. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please like and comment if the video was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates when I add more content.